Hey, what is going on, guys? So I have a Canon G7X Mark II here, and I'm going to show you how to change the video system. And I'm just going to start back from the beginning. For some reason, I bought this camera here, and it was on PAL. That's why I couldn't figure out why I wasn't getting the correct frame rate on the video mode. Anyways, let me go ahead and turn this off, and we'll start in the beginning here. So turn it off. First thing I want you to do is now is go ahead and make sure you place this on manual for M. Right there. Go ahead and turn on your camera. From here, we're going to go ahead and press on menu here. And then from here, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and move to the wrench up here. Okay, you can go ahead and just tap on that. And then from here, we want to go down to video or video system here. So basically, it's NTSC or PAL. If you're in Canada or the USA, put it on NTSC here. I don't know why mine was on PAL. Anyways, there we go. So now when I go into my video settings, I should have the correct frames per second. And just to double check, let me go back to camera here. And let me go to movie recording. Okay, there we go. So I wanted that 1080p at 30 frames per second. Before it showed like 25 frames per second. So I knew the video system right off the bat was off. So pretty much it. If you guys found this informative, please give me a like, subscribe, guys, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.